Are you too jealous of people owning a Samsung Galaxy S8? Well, here's a video for you, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can get the Galaxy S8 experience on any Android device right now. So, welcome to Tetrax. Oh, in this video I'm gonna be using my OnePlus 3, which is running Android 7.1.1 Nougat, and hopefully I can get some Samsung Galaxy S8 experience here. So first thing you need to download is the Nova launcher. I recommend you to try Nova Prime. Okay, welcome to Nova launcher. Skip, I'll show you. Okay, Nova launcher. Here, and once you are in Nova launcher, you have to set it as default home. Okay, now it's your home launcher. When you press home, it shouldn't be migrating to your old launcher. Okay, and next you can see all this kind of, and next up noticeable difference is the Samsung Galaxy S8 doesn't have an app drawer. I mean, this kind of button, so you need to disable that. Let's go into Nova settings, apps and widget drawers, and then select swipe to open, and you need to disable this swipe indicator. What the fuck? Okay, we got it. We just need to remove this. Yes, we got this pipe to open. Looking cooler. Yes. And next up is this, what do we call, the app drawer. It shouldn't be white, or it shouldn't have a card background. It should be horizontal. So you need to head on to Nova settings, apps and widget drawers, and then we need to set the background transparency to 35. That should, I think that should do the job. And app drawer straight to horizontal. Yes, we got it. What the fuck? Okay, the transparency is set, so I'm gonna set it again. I think 70, and I have to remove the card background. What the, okay, and from here you need to set the transparency 35% and check. Yes, this should do the job. And next up is this thing, and according to Samsung Galaxy S8, the horizontally it has 5 icons, and vertically it has 6 icons in the app drawer. So I have set that to 4:6 layout. And then what do we do? Yes, we have to remove the persistent search bar and enable this thing, tab bar. Yes, looking good. Oh, sexy. And next up is this. You can clearly see that Samsung Galaxy S8 icons aren't like this. So yeah, I'm gonna recommend you to try an icon pack, which will be linked in the description box below. Download this Samsung Galaxy S8 icon pack beta. It's in beta version, but still does the job. Download this. I have already downloaded it, so we have to, in order to apply it, go into Nova settings and then click on look and feel, and icon theme you have to select Samsung Galaxy S8 icons, GS8. Okay, so we got this Samsung icons. Once again guys, I'll link the backup file in the description box below, so that you don't have to do all this shit. Actually, just you need to press on backup and import settings and import from another launcher, which I'll link in the description box below. And then I think the icon size isn't exactly this much small on the original Galaxy S8, so I'm gonna increase to 110%. I have to verify. Yes, this looks good. And Samsung Galaxy S8 doesn't have these recently opened apps, so I'll remove that. Frequently used apps. Okay. And then what do we have here? Where the fuck is this mail? Trust me guys, this takes some time to set it up, but it does the job. Yep, this looks gorgeous right now, but I think I have to increase the size on the desktop too to 110%. And dock 2. So yes, looking good right now, but I don't like this kind of dots, so I'm gonna change that to another one. Well, I couldn't find it, so I think you can find it if you have such kind. Okay, and the next up is the widgets. For that purpose, I'd recommend you to download this Xmod widgets. Okay. Sorry, X widgets, which I will again link in the description box below, and you need to open it. And then you need to download these two, what do you call, themes. One is the Samsung search bar. It will download it in the background, and S8 mod weather. S8 mod weather. Galaxy search bar installation complete and weather also complete. You need to press on the screen, and then you need to create an empty widget. You got the Samsung S8 search bar, and then you need to get the weather. So in order to do that, you need to do exactly the same steps as you did before. Yes, and you need to select this Google's Voice app for this, and yes, this is done. And for the wallpaper, you need to navigate again into this the asset icons and swipe from right to left, sorry, left to right, and then click on wallpapers. This looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this, and I'll apply it quickly. So my OnePlus 3 looks much like the Samsung Galaxy S8 except the rounded corners. For this purpose, you need to download an app, additional app. What do we call it? The rounded corners app, which I'll link in the description box below. And we need to enable here. And then I recommend you to set the size to 50%. Yes, and don't mess with it. So guys, this is how I made my OnePlus 3 look much similar to Samsung Galaxy S8. And the only thing that I can't get to work right now is this Samsung's on-screen keys, and the next one is the Bixby. I think Bixby can be installed on any Samsung device running Android 7.0 and above, but I couldn't find it to other devices. And if you want these on-screen navigation buttons, we'll have to wait for developers to build a fast flashable zip. So guys, this is how I made my device look like with Samsung Galaxy S8. If you really like this video, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you wouldn't miss another video from me. This is Tetrax.